Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic to fix this issue. So first of all, you have to close this page. Basically guys, when you try to download or install any free or paid app from App Store, and after that you are getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to tap on sign in and security. So here is the common method to fix this issue. So from here you have to tap on change password, and from here you have to wait some seconds. Now put the passcode of your device, and from here you have to wait some seconds again. Just simply you have to change the password of your Apple ID, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings, tap on your Apple ID, sign out the Apple ID, and then sign in the different Apple ID. If you don't have any other Apple ID, then sign in the same Apple ID and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. You can also make sure that if you're using latest version of the iOS, just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to close this page. Now from here you have to tap on Safari browser or another browser. Just simply have to search for getsport.apple.com, and from here guys, you can easily see here tell us what's happening, and here you have to briefly explain about your problem, and after that hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.